YouTube, how's it going? Thank you so much to everyone that's been subscribing so far. We're so close to the 1,000 subscriber target by the end of 2018. Today, I bring to you the iPhone XS Max, or the XS Max, however you like to call it. I got it in silver, 256GB. Very, very excited to get my hands on this particular model. I'm coming from an iPhone 7, so I've skipped 3 generations, gone straight to the top. Obviously the iPhone 7, iPhone 8, iPhone 10, and now the iPhone XS Max. Yeah, just go and unbox it, have a little play with it. I'm going to give it a run for 3 to 5 days, and then do a separate video so I can let you know truly whether this is worth upgrading, what it's like, the good points, the bad points, and everything in between. So yeah, let's go and unbox this, see what's inside, and then let's talk about it. So let's see what is in this box. Normal design by Apple in California. In here, first of all, you've got your SIM pin, you've got Apple stickers, and then just your startup guide. Phone itself. Power brick, headphones, charging cable. Also with the phone, I bought the white silicone case. Yes, white gets dirty, but yes, so silicone can easily get cleaned. So let's go power it up, see what it's about. Whilst it's turning on, you can see here, so that was the iPhone 7, quite beat up condition. That's the kind of size comparison you're now upgrading to. But now you're getting full screen display. There you go, you can kind of see the kind of 2 display comparisons between the two. Somewhat larger, a lot larger, and the colour of the backs as well, the camera. So on the back you've also got the new dual camera as opposed to the singular, a lot larger, the nice glass back as opposed to the new metallic. I'm going to go away now, like I said, 3 to 5 days, have a little play with the new iPhone XS Max, get my hands really dirty on it and get on it. Then I'll let you know truly whether I think you should be buying this or you should just leave it, maybe get another phone, maybe get an X, maybe wait for the next one, don't rush to upgrade it. I'll be honest with you, I'll let you know. So far though, feeling it, a little bit more weighty, obviously it's bigger, but quite a bit more weighty than the 7. Larger screen, but it just looks beautiful. But my hands are quite big, so hence the reason I've kind of gone for a Max. For quite a while now I've been looking for either Plus models or Mac phones, so it definitely suits me. If you've got quite small hands, I can imagine this being quite somewhat large. That's what it looks like. Let's see, okay. So that's cool. Gonna go away, test it, let you know what I think about it. Between now and the 3 and 5 days, if you have any questions in the comment section, drop them below. I will respond immediately. Any questions you have about it. If I haven't made a video by then, but I can answer your questions, I will do. So make sure you smash the like button, subscribe button. We're almost at 1,000. Let's get there. You can do it. Make it happen.